We all know that adding a bit of colour to a spreadsheet can make it look more interesting. But we can also use colour to highlight values in our spreadsheet automatically using conditional formatting. Let's go to our total price column. Click in cell I2 there and Control-Shift down to highlight the rest of that column. I'm going to go to conditional formatting. I'm going to choose highlight cell rules, and you'll see there's lots of options here, but we're going to go for greater than, and I'm going to say greater than 500, and I'm going to tell it to give us a green fill with dark green text. Click on OK, and as we scroll up you will see those values are highlighted. Conditional formatting, really useful. More about that in the next tip.